Have you ever wondered how much the wireless microphones can change the game? Let's dive into the before and after sound check with this wireless microphone. So this is how my voice sounds without a wireless microphone. Notice the background noise and audio quality. And right now we are trying to put this on. And this is the clarity with wireless microphone. With the wireless microphone, the background noise is reduced and my voice sound more clear. It's not just about being heard, it's about being understood, right? So the right microphone can elevate your sound from good to great. So what do you think? Leave your comments and show some love, subscribe.